everybody, thanks for joining us again today. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're so excited about this. We recently purchased some food storage containers and we love them so well, we decided to get an even larger set. So we're going to ask you guys if you can like this video, share with people that you know, and to subscribe to our channel. We thank you all so much for your support in advance. Now, these are the ones that we're going to be unboxing today. This is the Seseno brand. I guess that's how it's pronounced. We hope so. This is the Seseno brand. There's 24 in this set, and there's 4 different sizes, and there's 6 of each set. 6 of each size. So the other set that we had only had a smaller amount of each size. So
yeah, there were only 16 pieces in the other set that we had bought.
Right, and this one has 24. So they're basically the same. There's 2 different brands, but the containers are practically identical.
Yeah, we'll do a side-by-side comparison for y'all to see, but for now, let's just go ahead and get the box open.
Yay! All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we're excited. We love to get anything that's going to help us get organized, especially like when you're cooking, just to help things, help you stay more organized and help your cooking process better. This is just great, just having the pantry more organized, so when you reach for things, you know exactly where everything goes. It's just been great having these containers. So we wanted to share them with you all.
I've seen a lot of this on TikTok too.
Yes, exactly.
People love to organize on TikTok.
I'm just telling you, we're just in this season of getting more organized. And the birds are singing. So we're just
excited about containers too.
Just trying to get things more organized. And my husband always says, if everything has a home, it has a place that it lives, then you'll know exactly where to put it. Right now it's like we're all going in our pantry and everything gets moved around, but these containers have been great. So
these are so nice.
I love them. They're just like the other ones.
I was just about to say, these look exactly like the other ones. So nice.
So these are nice because they fit nice and snug on your on the container, and they snap on.
Yeah,
they're airtight. They're airtight, exactly. Keeping your stuff nice and fresh. Girl, get it together. They nest down inside each other too.
They don't want to come out of the box.
They've been there a little bit too long. Yeah, you got to use your big muscles when you get this, taking these apart to get them out of the bag. Like I always tell my grandson, you got to use your big muscles. Yes. These are nice. See?
I think these are dishwasher safe too.
Yes, they are. Top shelf. But I just prefer not to put them in the dishwasher.
This is definitely one of those things you could just not put in the dishwasher.
A lot of times things, they'll say dishwasher safe, but to me, it's like it's safer if you don't put them in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
So just some things I just prefer not to, even though they say it's okay. I just get better results if I don't. Because the dishwasher can be hectic.
It can really mess your stuff up.
Right. I mean, it cleans your stuff, but it also messes up, can mess up your plastic containers. So, I'll just,
So we're going to get these unboxed and unbagged really quick. And then we'll show you all what else is in the box.
yes. Okay, so y'all, we have taken all of the containers out of the box. I'm so excited, can't you tell? And as we said before, there's 24 pieces, And actually there's 6 of each size. There's 4 different sizes, and there's 6 of each one. So Ricki, you want to tell them the sizes that we have?
Sure. This one is 2.8 liters. This one is 2 liters, 1.4 liters, and 0.8 liters.
It's so cute. Okay, and so it also comes with these handy dandy labels for you to write on, so you know what's in it and everything. And they're also, as you can see, you can write on them and erase them. So if you want to put something on there, you're like, oh, well, there's rice. Oh, no, honey, I wanted to put beans in there. Okay, no problem. I'll just erase it. And so, y'all know I have to make everything fun. But anyway, and so now they also come with these measuring cups. Now, y'all, we have so many measuring cups that we have to find creative uses for them, because if we order something, sometimes they'll just come with these cups. So we figure these would be great to actually put inside, if they're, for the ones that will actually fit inside, like the sugar or the oatmeal, whatever you're measuring out. That's convenient. You can just put them inside of the container and scoop it out. For this, that's in there, with the whatever you have in there is already, there's a 1/4 cup, and if you need a 1/4 cup of sugar, there you have it. It's already pre-measured for you. That's a good thing. So that's what we're gonna use ours for. And the lids, Ricki, you want to tell them about the lids?
Sure. These are the lids. They're all the same size. They're interchangeable.
That's great.
Yes, they snap on to your containers like this one way and the other way. So airtight. It has a seal on it, so your food will stay nice and fresh.
Yes.
Don't want no stale cereal or nothing. So.
And they're actually they're airtight. We said that, and they're stackable. But we found that if you're gonna stack these, they fit down inside each other like a little bit snug.
Right. They're not like your typical nestable.
Right. Exactly.
So if you try to stack them, they might kind of stick together.
Right.
So they'll stack on top of each other perfectly. Like if you want to put another sealed container on top of this one, it wouldn't be an issue.
We'll show y'all later. They're stackable but not nestable.
Right.
There you go. And they're also BPA free, which is great. It's high quality, durable plastic, and you can show them all the different symbols that they have on the bottom and what they mean.
So this one, if you can see, is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, BPA free, and then food safe. And then it also has your measurements for each container on the bottom.
And this the plastic is also shatter resistant, and it's very easy to clean. And we know for sure because we've actually cleaned them out, and they work fine. So we actually, like we told you, I don't know if we mentioned. Did we mention that we have another set already, right?
We might have. If not, we have another set.
Yeah.
But we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison to show you just how much alike they look. Because Amazon has tons of options for you to choose from.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Different varieties, sizes, shapes, quantity. So you could definitely spend some hours, days even,
and
searching for the perfect set.
Right, because we just couldn't figure out. We know we wanted more because the other set, like we said, only had 16 in it, and we wanted another set. We love the ones that we have. We just wanted more in the set. So because this one came with 24, we decided to try that one. So we'll just show you guys what we already have. Some of the ones that we were already filled out. Filled up.
Right.
Some of the things that we have. So this is just a few, and you can see they're stacked neatly. So you're putting them in your pantry, and you don't necessarily want to go out. You can go up, as high as your shelf will allow.
Yeah, so. And as you can see, the lid. Well, I don't think you can see this one because it's up high. But the lid. This is from the set we already have, and this is from the new set we bought. They look identical almost.
Yes. And we love this set. We absolutely love it. So we just wanted to share with you all, show you guys what we have.
And this was written with the marker that it came with, and this one was written with a silver Sharpie. So you can kind of see that there's no difference really. Mm-hmm. One just looks, cleaner than the other, in my opinion.
Right. And that one just doesn't come off as easy as the white one.
Right. Because these, we wrote with a silver Sharpie on our spice jars, and they're still on there.
Right.
The writing.
And also, we want to make note that if your hands are wet.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just a guarantee almost that it's going to come off if your hands are wet. But.
Yeah. So just make sure when you handle them from up top, which is, typically what you would do anyway.
Yeah.
So these have been great. I just love going in there, just knowing where everything is. It's been great. So we'll show you guys after we got everything all organized.
Yeah, we're going to put some stuff in there. You guys can see some clips of us doing that.
This was such a fun project to do. It's always great getting organized and putting things in their proper place.
Yeah, it's always therapeutic when you can remove a little bit of chaos out of your life.
And this pantry was definitely chaotic.
Yes. But we did want to make note of the expiration dates and stuff for your foods. Mm-hmm. If there's something that you don't eat all the time or you don't use all the time, it's a great idea to put an expiration date on it so you know when to throw it out.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
So, for instance, we put an expiration date on our croutons because we don't eat those that often. We just put the month and the year on them so we know when to throw those out.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and also this is just phase 1. We're going to be doing more organization in our pantry, so we'll bring you guys along for the next phase as we get that done, so you guys can have fun with us on that video as well.
Yes. Well, that's it for today's video. As always, we hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave us a like, hit the subscribe button, share the video with a friend, family member, whoever you think might enjoy it. Mm-hmm. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when we post our next video.
And talk to us down in the comments.
Yes.
If you have something similar to these containers, let us know. And let us know how you like them and what you use them for.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
See you next time.